Welcome to the PhotoKaya community. PhotoKaya software can be purchased from anywhere in the world. For this, first we will come to the official website of Nixsoft.in, and once click on the Buy Now button from the home page. See all available subscription packs. Those who want to buy from other countries outside India should first click on the USD box at the top of this page. And if you want upgradation or renewal of license, then we will select the renewal checkbox from My Plan. After selecting the plan, a form will appear, and fill it up by clicking on Next button once. A QR code will show for Indians. You can pay easily with the help of mobile payment app, and those who will purchase from other countries will check out by PayPal. Once the payment is successful, this page will show the payment confirmation message within some time. Once you see this message, payment status success, you will get an email notification immediately. If there is any problem in the payment, please share the screenshot on WhatsApp. I open the email to see the activation number and the PC key. Once you click the Activate License button in the settings panel of the software, here we will provide the activation number and PC key. And after clicking the Activate button once, the license will be installed. We will use the same process for renewal or upgrade. Activation status: clicking this button once will show the licenses data here. Thank you all.